Hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Japandi. What is the reason over there?
Because he
Experience.
has been learning since many years. He's like, doing it since many years. Before that, fighter
Inka,
do.
anybody, any other? Why?
Experience and technique, ma'am.
సో గురువు ఏం చేస్తాడు? ఆ ఫైటర్ అడుగుతాడు గురువుని, ఏమని? నేను అన్ని నేర్చుకున్నా కదా, నేను ఎందుకు ఓడిపోయాను, మీరు ఎందుకు గెలిచారు అని అడుగుతాడు. గురువు చెప్తాడు, నేను నీకు అన్నీ చెప్పాను, కానీ ఇప్పుడు నేను చేసిన టెక్నిక్ నీకు నేర్పించలేదు అని. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? Trained well, but something he is missing. So that is nothing but whatever the system which has been developed, that is not in filled with correctly with all the aspects. Okay, so when we are developing any particular model, that should be developed in all the aspects, in all the ways. Okay, so this is first one. That is nothing but choosing the training experience. So we have to choose a particular training uh, model with with all the experience which has been made previously. Okay. What is the second one? Choosing the target function. So to achieve the training experience, what is the target function which is needed here? Okay. Example Indian ante, take the state Karnataka. Okay, or any other state. Okay, so Karnataka తీసుకోండి. అక్కడ ఏమైంది? You are having many friends, many districts. One stays in Mysore, one stays in Hubli, one stays in Belgaum, one stays in Bangalore. Okay, now I want to get proper information about the problem which has been occurred in Bangalore. Now, what I have to do is whom I have to contact. And will I contact the person who stays in Belgaum, Hubli, or Bangalore? So, what will happen here? Of course, I will contact the person who stays in Bangalore. Why? Because he knows everything. Okay, so that is nothing but to approach that particular problem. What is the nearest value which I am using? So that particular value is called as target function. Okay, so I can define my target function here. Okay, so if you take one more example, in Google, I search for target function in machine learning. So what it will do, it states that it is method for solving a problem. Okay, so like this. So what has happened there? It has been stored with solving a problem. Okay, so likewise, what I have to do here is I have to define my target function which is nearest to that. So that is nothing but choosing the target function. So for this, good examples is yourselves. You have to choose your target function. So now you are in third year, 3-2. So after 4-2, 4-1, you have to decide yourselves what you have to do. ఏం చెయ్యాలి? హైయర్ స్టడీస్కి వెళ్ళాలా, జాబ్ చేయాలా, ఓకే, కంపెనీ పెట్టాలా? సో likewise, so you have to choose your target function. So likewise, so this is second one, that is choosing the target function. Next is choosing a representation for the target function. That is nothing but there are numerous ways to represent the target function. So what I have told you now. So now if you want to do something, okay, so you have to choose yourselves. So there you are having different ways. So that from that you have to choose one. అంటే నువ్వు కంపెనీ పెట్టాలా, హైయర్ స్టడీస్కి వెళ్ళాలా, జాబ్ చేయాలా, సో లైక్ వైజ్ సో ఈ అన్ని రిప్రజెంటేషన్స్ లో నువ్వు ఏదైనా ఒకటి కరెక్ట్ గా చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ choosing a representation for the target function. So there you will be having many numerous problems, numerous techniques, numerous things which is represented in different ways. From that you have to choose your target function. Okay. Next is choosing a function approximation algorithm. So after representing the target function, what kind of algorithm, which target function requires, that you have to specify here. So ఇంతకుముందు నెక్స్ట్ ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పాను. So if you take your class strength, okay. So from your all 67 students, how many you have got 70%? That is distinction. That I want. The list of the students who has got distinction list I want. So what I'll do, I'll be using decision tree concept over there. The algorithm which has been used over there is decision tree. If then else, I'll be using the concept of if then else. Okay. So this is nothing but choosing a function approximation algorithm. So a particular algorithm should be used for your target function, which that has to suits the target function over there. Okay. So we will stop here. And the last one is final design. After doing all these things, you will be getting final design. Okay. So this is the last step in designing a learning system. So these are all we will see in detail in next class. Okay. So till now, any doubts, guys? Have you understood? Respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Respond something. Yeah. Don't leave. I'll be taking your attendance.